Why is this the best ringtone of all time? And why is this my favorite sound? Well, let's just listen to it. Now you see how good this is. Let's keep playing it. I usually hum it along the rhythm. Now you see how good this thing is. You see how good this is. Probably by now. But you may be thinking, how widespread is it? Well, you might not know yet, but it is widespread. Check this out. If I search this, then I'll find a bunch of videos on that. And then I find this. So then I watch it. And then this happens. This is cool. Watch. And then you find this.
When you shop in the Safeway app,
And then I get
you can count
ads.
on delivery in as soon as 30 minutes. Even if you can't.
Now you may know, why is this ringtone so good? Keep listening. This is the upbeat part. There's so many upbeat parts of this. This is the most upbeat. This is like one of the best because, well, it's upbeat. And I really like when I'm going on runs, I wanna think about and hear it in my head. And it also is my wake-up tone. Now you might think, why is this so upbeat? Well, if you listen to it very carefully, you'll see why. Upbeat, 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 upbeat. This is the part where in my runs I usually speed up. Upbeat, 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 upbeat. Anyway, if you really want to know more about this ringtone, listen to it on your own terms. Although I'm on a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and for some reason on this A9 Plus, I can't find that ringtone by default, so I have to download it and put it in the ringtone stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And if you liked this video, hit that like button, kick that subscribe button, or I guess smash that subscribe button. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. And if you didn't like the video, you can dislike it, but please subscribe. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye.